Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are talking about Top 5 Richest Celebrities in the World. Before we continue our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Let's get started. Five. Robert De Niro. Net worth, $500 million. Robert De Niro is an actor loved by many for both his past and present work. In recent years, he starred in films such as Meet the Fockers, Meet the Parents, The Intern, and Dirty Grandpa. However, in De Niro's early days, you might remember him from Goodfellas, The Godfather Part 2, Analyze That, Casino, and Heat. Today, Robert De Niro's net worth is estimated at $500 million. 4. George Clooney. Net worth, $500 million. George Clooney is an American director and actor from Kentucky. He has won several awards for his performances in Ocean's 11, Three Kings, and Syriana. Clooney has received success in multiple areas, and it has not gone unnoticed. Throughout his career, he received several awards for his movies, among other accolades. Today, George Clooney has a net worth of $500 million. I don't like to share my personal life. It wouldn't be personal if I shared it. George Clooney. 3. Tom Cruise. Net worth, $570 million. Tom Cruise is an American producer and film actor from New York. He is one of the best actors of all time. His movies have sold millions worldwide. In 2021, Tom Cruise's net worth is $570 million, making him the third richest actor worldwide. I disagree with people who think you learn more from getting beat up than you do from winning. Tom Cruise. 2. Shah Rukh Khan. Net worth, $600 million. Shah Rukh Khan is an Indian actor from New Delhi. He is mostly known as the King of Bollywood. With his 80 Hindi movies, he has received plenty of awards for his performances. Today, Shah Rukh Khan is the second richest actor in the world, with Shah Rukh Khan's net worth estimated at $600 million in 2021. 1. Jamie Gertz. Net worth, $3 billion. Jamie Gertz is an American actress and investor, known for her early roles in films such as Twister, Crossroads, Less Than Zero, The Lost Boys, and Quicksilver. Although she's not achieved the levels of success many of the other actors on this list have, Gertz is a part owner of the NBA team, Atlanta Hawks, with her husband Tony Ressler, which is the reason for her net worth being so high. As of 2022, Jamie Gertz's net worth is estimated to be $3 billion. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. For more videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.